now that we've had this drop in the market, the price movement, the applied volatility, they're going to finally make sense, and we're going to be able to go back into the market full size. We're going to make that money back. But no, implied volatility did not make sense. It was still super weird. And yeah, I wanted to make the money back, but I'm not going to lay down a ton of money into a market that's not making sense to me either. So I was starting to get really frustrated with the way things were going. And then it happened. In late March, I had a breakthrough. I had a whole new level of understanding, a transformation, if you will. And as a result, I can say that I've never been more confident. I've never been more optimistic about my options trading than I am right now. And I'm very excited to share these insights with you as you experience your own transformation at the Trader Transformation Workshop in Orlando this January.